Hello and welcome to the DIY session on front wheel removal. Before we start, ensure you have all the following tools: 21 mm ring spanner, 24 mm ring spanner, tapping mallet, a jack. To start with, keep your motorcycle in an upright position. Use the 24 mm spanner to loosen the front wheel axle nut as you hold it from the left side with the 21 mm spanner. This will ease your work to remove the wheel. Now place the jack under the engine frame to raise the motorcycle front wheel 15 cm off the ground. Remove the axle nut and spacer from the right side and keep them aside safely. Now hold the front wheel and gently remove the axle. Remove the front wheel assembly and remove the spacer from the right hand side and keep it safe. Remember, facing disc plate downwards can cause damage to the disc plate, and also do not press the rear brake lever when the wheel is removed from the motorcycle. Now, to refit the front wheel, slowly roll the wheel assembly between the forks to relocate its position. First, replace the spacer and the wheel hub. Insert the axle from the left side by lifting the wheel assembly and bringing the axle axis on the same vertical line with the forks. Now refit the axle nut and tighten it. Once done, use a 21 mm spanner and hold the axle from the left hand side and tighten the axle nut from the right hand side by using a 24 mm spanner. Then check for free rotation of the wheel. Once you remove the jack, tighten the axle nut again and it's done. If possible, visit your nearby Benelli service center to tighten the bolts to a perfect spin. Keep roaring.